everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Recently I had hauled this charm necklace, and it's emoji. It's actually called Emogination, and I forgot to share this with you guys on my last haul. And I had gotten this from Target, and I just thought it was so cute because it comes with 4 charms and a necklace, but I won't be using the chain. This was $5.99 at Target, and when we were there, when I was there with my daughter, I picked it up because I thought these would be super cute to use. Since I have that emoji love paper, I thought it would go perfectly with that, and even has a little unicorn. And anyway, I've been seeing this little guy, this poop emoji, but a rainbow poop emoji. I actually was looking on Etsy, and I was looking at some Felties paper clips with this guy in it, and I just thought it was so cute. And the poop emoji is one of my favorite emojis. So anyway, I was inspired by this little guy, and just seeing it, you know, on the internet, and so I made something. So let me just go ahead and share that with you guys. So I decided to make some paper clips, and I think they came out so cute. Let me just go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So this was actually inspired. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I was inspired originally by Anna, who is Serenity Creations on YouTube. Hey Anna. And I had gotten this. This is not exactly an emoji punch, but it's a, what do you call it? A frosting punch, but it totally looks like the poop emoji. And I had hauled this when Hobby Lobby was clearancing some of their older punches. And anyway, I hadn't played with it, so... And I had just gotten this this year, because I never did pick it up last year when Anna was playing with it. So anyway, I thought, you know, making rainbow emoji would be so cute. So I actually did. So I used a couple of papers. Oh, and I'm sorry, there's glue all over this one, like glue string. I used the unicorn and rainbows paper. I actually started out with this one, but I thought, you know, it doesn't really look like the poop emoji. I was trying to, you know, make it look like this because there's so much white on it. And so I cut out a few of these, and then I decided to look at my other papers. And this one is actually from the Stay Magical. I think it's this one. This is from the Stay Magical paper, and this one I thought is better. So that's what I did. I created a bunch of these. So I put some those acrylic flowers, those sticker flowers from Michaels. I got that, the bling stickers. And then for this one here, I used a bow from Joann's. When they were selling these, they came with the buttons. So those are the bows, and I just took the shank off in the back. I cut it off, and then I went ahead and put it. And they are double-sided, except I didn't put another bow in the back. But they're pretty sturdy because I made it with 110-pound cardstock, and then I put black cardstock in between, you know, just to make sure the eyes are black. And so this is like 3 layers. And then here's another one with acrylic flower and blue. And someone had gifted me these, and I cannot remember, but they're super cute. They're like metallic paper clips. And at first I started out with the big, longer paper clips, but I realized I like the shorter ones better. Here's another one with one of the flowers. The flower is from Hobby Lobby. No, is it Hobby? Yeah, Hobby Lobby. The wedding section. And these have purple paper clips. Here's another one of those bows. And I think they're just so cute, and they come out so super duper cute. and they're great to gift. So I actually packaged a couple, well, I haven't like packaged it, but I've put it on a couple of tags. So this is what I've done with one of them. Let me just zoom, oops, sorry. Let me zoom out. Here's a tag that I made. Isn't that cute? And I was playing around with that Stephanie Bernard tag die that I picked up. This one right here, the one I picked up recently from Hobby Lobby. And I used the two biggest tags, and I thought it just came out really cute. And then the second to smallest tag, and it cut out that "for you." So I just wanted to show that with you guys, because when I hauled it, I didn't get to share how it looked cut out, and that's how it looks. And I think it's so cute. And this, I just put a slit here on the black cardstock, and then so I can put the paper clip in there. And then this is a Maggie Holmes bow, and then I just put some sheer ribbon from Michaels. And then I can just package this, and then I was thinking of putting this like on the outside package "for you," so that was really cute. So that's one of them, and then I did it with the other paper, this one right here. And I think they came out so cute. I just love the black and the rainbow together. And I wanted to put this on black just to make it pop. There's another Maggie Holmes bow, and this sheer ribbon here, or half sheer ribbon and half satiny ribbon, is from Walmart, I believe. And then here's that other tag. So for now, I'm just kind of keeping it like that, just to keep it together. But I thought they came out so cute. So let me know what you guys think of my tags, and also the little paper clips. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And just to let you guys know also, you know, I recently got a private message from someone, and I didn't realize, you guys, I had totally forgotten how to check my private messages on YouTube. I haven't checked it for the longest time, and I apologize if any of you guys have private messaged me and I have not answered you, and it's because I didn't know I got the message. I just recently discovered that I had a bunch of messages, and so I apologize. I just wanted to say that because I did not ignore your messages. I just did not see them, and I have like messages from like months ago, a year ago even, I think. And, you know, a couple of people asking me to swap with them, and I am so very sorry that I did not see those messages. So I totally apologize. I feel like horrible that I have not been checking. I just forgot it's there, because usually people just, you know, you can either email me. Sometimes a lot of people just put messages on the comments section when they watch my videos, and then I usually just respond from there, and then I will private message them if they want like my address or something like that. But yeah, so I apologize, you guys. I feel so bad that I didn't even see that, and I totally forgot how to do it, because before, I think they used to notify us when we got a private message. But I haven't swapped in a really long time, you guys, because I just don't do swaps anymore, with the exception of like my, you know, just close friends that I can meet with. You know, there's my BFF that I do mail to, but I don't do too much like swapping with people, because it, you know, it gets costly, and my husband thinks I go a little crazy when I swap. And you know, like I stress myself out is what he's saying. So, but anyway, so yeah, so I've been pretty diligent lately, just checking my private messages in case anyone had questions. So yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, and let me know what you think of my little project here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.